Hello, my name is Stephen Mitchell, and this is my introduction video for AEP 858 Data Analysis and Assessment course. So here, a little bit about me. As you can see, here are some of my interests as far as that describes me best, I feel. A little bit, I am a native of Kansas City, Kansas, just a suburb of Kansas City. Currently live in Olathe. My wife, Lauren, and I have been married since July of 2012, so a little over 8 years right now. So we have two beautiful daughters, Lily, she's 6 and she's in first grade. Megan is 4 and she's in pre-K. So I love my girls to death. They're my life. I'm real big on family. My family, whether it's my parents or extended family, really mean quite a lot to me, as well as close friends. Little things about me: I'm a big sports fanatic. Love basketball, whether it's NBA, college basketball, and I love football as well too. And my favorite football team, obviously, is the Chiefs, repping the hometown. I always tell people basketball is my favorite sport, but the Chiefs are my favorite team. Also, you see some music notes there at the bottom. I really enjoy listening to music, and I'm also a musician. As you can tell, I play the drums. Been doing that for years and years, so it's one of my passions there for sure. Other things, just love to hang out with family and friends, love to relax, go to the movies, just enjoy life, everything. So a bit about background for myself here. So currently where I've come from, I was in the before and after school program setting. I did that for about 7 years. So I started fall of 2013 and ended basically this past summer, 2020. Arbor Creek Elementary, which is a elementary school, Olathe District. Did it with YMCA and JCPRD, Johnson County Parks and Recreation. Also worked summer camps in those summers as well too. Being that I was in the before and after school program setting, that's really where I found my niche and I found my passion, working with kids, and that's where really just sparked my love for that and sparked my interest for teaching, which is why I'm here now. So obviously my background as far as undergrad is something different. I graduated from Missouri State with a degree in recreation and leisure studies, and a minor in business back in 2008. And then this is what kind of led me to where I'm at now. Now I'm currently in the master's program at Fort Hays State. What I just did, I just completed my student teaching experience this past fall at Scarborough Elementary in Olathe District, which loved every minute of it. It was an awesome experience. And currently right now I am a para working at the school right now. So come this fall, I will have a job teaching somewhere within the district. I'm just not sure quite yet. My goals, personally, to be either a 3rd, 4th, or 5th grade teacher. Also, I have my options open as far as PE at any level. Someday I would like to coach, maybe bring me to athletic director, maybe eventually even principal. Reasons for me to become an educational professional. Basically how I look at it: to motivate and inspire students to be the best possible versions of themselves. And I want to be an example and a leader for the students to look to. Those are my goals and the reason why I'm getting into this business. So a little bit about the data process at my school. Since I haven't really taught yet, this is something from my observation, what I see. I do notice there has been map testing, obviously classroom testing. There's curriculum, school-wide, district-wide. There are pre-assessment scores that are typically taken. Obviously IEPs, which I've sat in a few of those meetings during my student teaching, as well as some of that experience with IEPs working in the before and after school program setting as well too. Special education. Our school is a specialized for deaf and hard of hearing DHH program as well too. So any child in the district who has that need, our school has that a program. It's kind of specialized and tailored instruction for that too, as well as a gifted program as well too. My personal knowledge of data use, in addition to some of the things I'm really familiar with, obviously with classroom testing, IEPs as well too, ways I know that data can be collected from that I've accustomed to and everything. Of course, daily classroom instruction, that would include tailored instruction to fit the specific needs of the child, whether it be through accommodations or modifications, working with small groups, one-on-one work, work with certain student behaviors, things like that. And then also big key math and reading scores and grades. Really know, especially at the elementary level, math and reading are two big subject areas that are our main focus. Not to say science and social studies aren't. Math and reading typically have priority, and those are grades typically. See how kids would do on tests, how they would do on assignments in class, things of that nature. Things, if I were to propose a plan to improve my current knowledge, data use, number one, I would collaborate. I think you can always work and accomplish a greater goal when you work with others. When you have more minds to the table toward a common goal, I believe you can get a lot accomplished. So collaborating with colleagues, those on your level, above you, beneath you, things like that, as far as improving and enhancing my use of data. I would also research what data I need to look for specifically. I know sometimes data can be more of a general term or vague, and a lot of times based on what you're talking about, you can kind of know what to look up, but I need to know specifically, other things to look up. I'd analyze school-wide scores amongst each class per grade level, and also compare my school scores with other schools within the district as well too. As well as the state, how we compare how we stack up against other schools within our district and other districts in our state as well too. And constantly looking at data frequently, getting very familiarized with that process. I think that will definitely help enhance my knowledge of data use. So really looking forward to learning more about this process, what to look for, and data use as a whole. And thank you.